जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 69th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग हिज टीचिंग्स टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, being active is day, being inactive is night. Sthita prajna is active in his meditation upon Atma. Sthita prajna is inactive in his luxuries, pleasures related to the body. And those who are not sthita prajna, they are active in enjoying sensory objects. Those who are not sthita prajna is inactive in thinking about Atma. Like this, for sthita prajna, Atma dhyanam is day. For sthita prajna, the sensory pleasures is night. And for those who are not sthita prajna, sensory pleasures are day. And those who are not sthita prajna, Atma dhyanam is night. Like this, Krishna Paramatma making a comparison between both and encouraging all of us to do Atma Dhyanam. While having these teachings of Krishna Paramatma running in our thoughts, let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Ya Nisa Sarvabhutanam Tasyam Jagarti Sanyami Yasyam Jagrati Bhutani Sa Nisa Pasyato Munehe. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep remembering my teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖమహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ప్రథమస్కంధం, Sri Suta Maharshi is saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis that, "O Maharshis, Parikshit Narendra put that dead serpent on that Muni and left from there. That Muni has a son, Tasya Putra Ati Tejasvi. That Muni's son has so much of glow. Viharan balako arbhakaihi, he was playing with all of his friends. At that time, one of the friends comes to this boy and tells him that Naragandha Gajasyandana Turagambula Niluraju Paragen ni Janakuni Meda Nuragamu Tagilinchipoyen. Like that, one friend tells him that one king came, put a dead serpent on your father and left. When this boy heard that, he started saying that, "Aho, adharmah palanam, how bad these kings are, how unrighteous these kings are. These kings are doing like if we put some food to the birds, if the same bird comes and hits us, like that these birds, these kings are doing bad things to the Muni, the one who is protecting all the worlds with his tapas. Instead of these kings paying respect to the Muni, they are doing bad things to the Munis." Oh, my dear friends, as and how, if we are feeding and taking care of, if the household is taking care of the dog, as and how if the same dog bites the household person, like that it is sounding, our Muni, my father, is protecting all the worlds with his tapasya. These kings, this king, instead of paying respect to my father, he is doing all these bad things, just like as and how the dog bites the same person who is feeding him. These kind of sinful activities the king is doing. Oh, my dear friends, this king is very unrighteous. This king is very bad king. Brahmanaihi kshetra bandhurihi gruhapalo nirupitaha. It is sounding like if we feed a dog and keeps the dog at the main entrance to guard the entrance, if the same dog comes inside the home and eats away all the food and mess out entire the kitchen, that is how this king's act also sounding. This is very, very sinful act this king committed. Like this, that Muni's son sharing all of his anger with his friends. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. दिवि वा भुवि वा ममास्तु वासो नरके वा नरकान्तकप्रकामम् अवधीरित सारदारविन्दौ चरणौ ते मरणेऽपि चिन्तयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्। कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर 69th श्लोक। या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी। यस्यां जाग्रति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः। या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी। यस्यां जाग्रति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।